the hell? Why am I getting attacked by birds? Okay. Far out. I got attacked by birds. And I'm not even in the Deadlands, Wasteland. Good morning and welcome to 7 Days to Die with Tamoko here on day 9. Now, I need some jam chowder, water 10, food 53. Alright, I need some more food, so let's go bacon and eggs. And shove my medical in here. Let's go into here. Shove everything in there. I need some mechanical parts, man. So we're off to try and find some mechanical parts. Once I get one more mechanical part, I'll be able to make a wrench and then be able to take out some cars. Then I'll have enough for the workbench. Okay, there's a car place across there. Oh, here's a chicken. Go chicken! Yes! I just need one mechanical part. Then I can make the wrench. No. One mechanical part. That's all I need. No. Yep. Oh, it's locked? Okay, so how do I get in here? Maybe I can sneak in. Oh, can't sneak in. Not 10,000. Oh, that's a way in. Kia ora, who's here? Somebody's here. Yep. Sure. Haramai. Skinny Pete. Anybody else? Is there anyone else? Check the toilets. Okay. This must have an underground one in it, eh? Just need one mechanical part. That's all I want. It's empty. No man, mechanical parts, babe. Yep. Aha. One book from... Got it. We are off home. And we are going to make ourselves a wrench. Alright, so what do we need? We need mechanical parts, steel, duct tape, leather, glue, steel. I don't know. Let's go have a look. Tools. Wrench. Hey, I can make a level 2. Okay, can't wait. Fellas, what are hiding? Rightio, Jen. Let's see what you've got.
So, what are you buying today?
Depends, girl. What you got on offer? You don't have a lot, eh? But oh well. Let's sell this stuff anyway. Can't be
Nothing this
bothered
time?
holding on to it. Let's drink that. Eat that. And start selling. Here we go.
Remember me if you need medical supplies.
Got any jobs close by? Close? Why is everything so friggin' far away? Ah. South.
You look like you could handle yourself. This is dangerous work, but I believe you can handle it.
Okay, let's go and do her quest then. Okay. Get a lot of corn seed from these, eh? Shoot, 6 corn seed. What's this? This is clay. Yeah, I need some clay. Where are you? Okay. Let's close that door for safekeeping. Bone. There's a safe. Oh, I left my bloody picks at home. What an egg. Okay. Oh, yeah. Killed it. We follows that. You bled out. Seriously. Lots of clay. That's cool. Workbench. Choice resources. Oh, is that us? Oh, where? Oh, Molotovs. Choice. Let's go. Yep. Let's go. Okay. Oh, no, wrong way. Okay, let's head home and do this quest for Max. Richt. Okay, we're at the quest. It's 1828. So we should be able to get through this in good time. Yucca juice. Okay. Killed up. Who's here? Kilda, who's here? Give me a new. No. Inu? I do, but it's undrinkable. Bones. Inu. Actually, I'd better go and drop this stuff off at my bike. Scrap that. Put everything else in there. Scrap that. Alright, carbide, let's go. Oh, there's a downstairs. That's locked. Paper, I don't need paper. Lead. Who's coming? Who's coming? How did that go right through you? Okay, let me carry on, please. Kilda, anyone home? Who's home? You're home. Okay. What are you? Are you cement? Clay and cement. What are you? Ah, sand. Get out of here, sand. Bloody hell. Okay, you got a drink for me? You do, but not the kind that I can drink right away. What was that? Cornmeal. Sand? Oh my gosh. Get the sand out of here. Cornmeal. Oh, book. Tool crafting. Repair tool crafting. Kia ora. Where's the other one? Hey, where's the other one? Come on now. Skinny Pete's. Trash. Yep. What else we got? Always got to check the toilets in case there's a gun. Yep. Yep. Kia ora, Walt. And get you. Choice. What? Where you fellas at? Oh, don't do that, eggs. Far, you fellas are stupid. Meh. Check the toilets for a handgun. No handgun. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I know. And blue, yep. Do I have a gold on me? I do. Alright, let's grab one of those. Buy and a yucca juice. Let's drink those. Should take care of now. Where are you fellas? Where are you fellas? Automite. Dorks. Shotgun crafting. Anything else around here? Cloud crafting. Sweet. Inu. Inu. Get the stuff. Okay. Is there anything over here? No. Let's go upstairs. Oh, I might not be able to make it to the trader. Where are you? Is that it? Oh, where? Truck crafting. Unlocked. Where's my bike? There's my bike. Can I drop that far? Yes, I can. Alright, off home. And we're back home. Okay. Well, for the rest of the night, I'm going to store all my stuff, draw up a plan. Probably tomorrow I'm going to come back and set it to warrior difficulty, because this is just getting a bit too bloody easy. Other than that, I shall see you fellas next time in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Laters.